here we are with the little green monster. We got the pieces right here, and it's going on an X330 John Deere. So for right now, I'll just show you all the pieces and where it goes. There's I don't know the name of any of this, but that looks like the arm. Here are the supports. So that gets bolted onto the mower right in there. So you have to drill 2 holes, and then the other 2 holes, those bolts go right into. So these come up like that. So you got 2 of those. And then the attachment, here's the bucket right here. I think it's about 44 inches long or so, but it's thick, probably 1/8 inch steel. And there's the attachment that those arms go into. It's a quick connect, which is nice, so that hopefully one day there'll be more attachments other than the bucket. Okay, so it goes, here's the arm piece right here, and this is the side it goes on. So if you can see, that goes in that hole, and it will kind of line up just like that. So you drill those 2 holes that are 9/16, I believe, or 1/2 inch. Then that's obviously already drilled. And then that aligner pin that sticks through. So I just drilled that with the 5/16 drill bit, just enlarged the hole that's already there. And a hack, you don't have to take your tire off. If you just turn with the steering wheel, turn it all the way, it's pretty close for this hole, and it might just slightly be angled, but I've been told that's okay to have it slightly angled. So let's see, that bolt just goes in that hole just like that, and I'll bolt it on the other side. All right, I got the arm in, so there you can see that's where it attaches with that quick connect. So this stays on essentially permanently, but it's not permanent because all you do is take out 3 bolts, and that's all you have to do. So, but you can leave this on, the hood still opens, so you don't have to take these off if you don't want to. So getting it on, I'm gonna drill these 2 holes right here, and those are the rest of the bolts. There it is. So I got the 2 bolts in and that one. I have lost that bolt right there. So I'll look for that. There it is. There we go. I got the 2 arms on. They're bolted on either side. There. You can see they come up. This is how I plan on having it when I don't have the arms and the bucket attached. This is how I plan on having it basically when not in use. So the hood opens on either side just fine. So these are basically out of the way, and you know, they won't cause any trouble. So now the rest of this should be pretty quick. We got the cotter pins. So I'm gonna put you down and attach that, and we'll see what it looks like. We got it attached. So all it does is, I haven't even put the cotter pin, but it just attaches right there. And I did not attach it square. It looks worse on camera, but it is rubbing against some, and it's, you know, you can see it rubbing there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need to ground it down or not, but let's see. That's what it looks like. And now I'm gonna put the actuators on, and then, or maybe put the bucket on and then the actuators. Okay, it's attached now. You can see down there are the 2 bolts. Then it kind of already pivots right now. I'll stand it on this side. So that's what it looks like from the front. And I'm gonna put the actuators on real quick and she'll be almost done. Here are the actuators. I got 3, I don't know the speed, but there they are right there. I got the faster ones, so it wasn't too much more. And, you know, I'm sure it will be nice to have. So I think one pin goes through there, another pin through there, and of course the wiring. So these all appear to be the same size. So I'm gonna put these on real quick. Okay, there she is. So real quick, I'll show you right there. This is where the knobs are supposed to go for the controls. I plan on selling this in the next year or so and getting the 500 series. So what I'm gonna do is probably just make a little panel that comes out a couple inches that will just attach with heavy tape or something there. I don't want to drill any holes into this, and the control should still be in a convenient spot too, but I'm definitely not going to drill any holes. They provide you a template, but you will not see me do that. So that's what the front looks like from the driver position. You can see that there. We'll do a walk around. I got 2 of the actuators in. That's how it looks from the side and the bucket. There's the 3rd one right there, and then right there. So this is what it looks like from the front. Very low profile. I have not gotten the switches yet or any of the wiring, so I can't go any further. And I can't get that to line up without being able to lower the actuator down a little bit, and that will help get that 3rd actuator in. This took maybe about 2 hours to do. You know, the first arm took a little bit of while. The second arm went really fast. The only hard part with it all is, you know, drilling through that thick metal down there. And then, you know, I didn't put anything square, so each arm is off a little bit. So getting the quick connect pins was a little bit of a challenge, but with some manhandling, it goes in just fine.